Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this charming multifamily property, a rare investment opportunity located in the heart of Ocean Ridge, a gated and highly sought after community in St. Mary, with living space of approximately 6,000 square feet and sitting on 0.45 acres. This fully furnished and well-maintained home features three complete units, three bedrooms, two baths, and a powder room. The next is two bedrooms, two baths, powder room, and another two bedroom, one bath. It also have a separate helper's quarters and the potential for additional space to be used for some studios. Each unit has its own unique character and charm. The layouts are designed for comfort and functionality, with ample living space, large windows, and natural light. Many units have been recently updated with modern kitchen, featuring stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and updated bathrooms that provide a fresh, clean aesthetic. Enjoy a beautiful backyard, enlightened by a relaxing pool view from the patio, bar, and gazebo, which is perfect for all the social gatherings. There is ample parking to accommodate all your family, friends, or guests. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Schedule a viewing today to explore the potential that awaits in this multifamily gem. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 970,000, Jamaican 153 million, Canadian 1.38 million, Euro 890.9 thousand, or 753.9 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.